Are you not doing the snap?
Oh, that's right.
When I am big, I am untouchable. Not because I believe that I'm better than anyone else, but because I hold an unwavering belief in myself and my abilities. Asking for help and admitting fault are not weaknesses, but visible signs of my own growth and development. I feel secure and fearless, not held back by the possibility of failure or rejection. I do what I'm afraid of, wholeheartedly believing that regardless of the outcome, I will learn a new lesson.
When I'm big, I'm on an adventure. The world becomes my playing field. I feel like I'm playing a game, and I get the opportunity to discover so many new ideas and inspirations. Most importantly, I have the privilege of meeting and developing relationships with so many different people that I can learn from.
When I'm big, learning comes easily. I'm bubbling with excitement, and I sit at the edge of my seat. I raise my hand for questions I want to know, even if they seem silly or weird. I'm not embarrassed to care too much about just school assignments. I know that applying my learning and taking that next step delights my inner, constantly curious learner.
When I am big as a leader, I take pride in my work. I take risks and have grit. I am responsible and agile. I manage myself before managing others. I think and act strategically while being an effective communicator.
When I'm big, I prioritize gratitude. I realize the effects that being genuinely grateful have on me and on others. I let the people and things that are already in my life be the reason that I remain happy and continue my pursuit.
When I am big, I am my biggest cheerleader. I accomplish goals that I set out for myself and set new ones. I am a beacon of positivity that reaches everyone around me. I drink deeply from good books, podcasts, and TED Talks. I'm curious, like George, and the inner child comes out to play. When I'm big, I put in hours in the gym to keep my body healthy and strong. I fuel my body with good nutrients so that it can perform at its optimal level. I lose track of time on the basketball court and fall in love with the game. I challenge my physical and mental limits.
I am powerful and passionate and excited as I pursue my dreams and actively create my own life. When I am big, I wake up early in the morning. I feel rested and ready for action. I get more done in the day before most people get up, and I savor those quiet hours, actively reflecting on the things that I'm grateful for. I'm living out my daily routine like a beautiful habitual dance, all alone despite a sleeping house. My mind is running 1,000,000 miles a minute, and yet I'm thinking clearly and taking deliberate steps towards what I want. I'm unapologetic about who I am and what I'm after, and I'm always conscious of the fact that there are just things that I can't control. I stay within myself, and I work for balance within my own life, finding harmony through silence, stillness, and the love of others.
When I'm big, I get the opportunity to face new challenges and learn how to overcome them. I feel gratitude knowing I didn't sell myself short and made an impact. Regardless of money, I feel wealthy.
When I'm big, I'm not afraid to ask for help. I know that some battles can't be tackled alone, and that there's strength in vulnerability. Asking for help on a problem doesn't mean I listen to my inner gremlin, screeching at my side, saying, "You're not good enough." Just you wait, I say. I'm stronger now, and we've got a plan.
When I am big as a friend, I listen and inspire. I am open and positive. I am a giver, not a taker. I take genuine interest in others. I am happy and proud of my friends' accomplishments.
I view the world from multiple perspectives, which lets me know that my life could be worse, I could have less, and that I need to use what I have to change what I can. When I'm big, I make others happy. I value my natural ability to make someone laugh or include them in my day. I make note of their abilities and characteristics. I create ways to let people know they're appreciated and that they consistently add value to my life.
When I am big, I'm empathetic and all ears. I am a reliable friend, boyfriend, son, brother, student, and employee. My work, school, and social life is balanced. I give out great advice and practice what I preach.
When I am big, I'm in close contact and close communication with my higher power. Day-to-day life is a constant conversation with Him. When I'm biggest, I'm surrendering my will and my life to Him and His plan. And I'm surrounded by people who are challenging me to be better. And I am actively choosing joy and gratitude over shortcomings and pessimism.
When I'm big, I'm with my family and friends. I lose all my worries and go back to having fun. I feel happy and genuine knowing I get to spend my time around the people that I love and care about.
When I'm big, I seek to give all that I can to family, friends, and every interaction beyond. I engage myself fully, and I offer what they might need. Attentive ears, a fun joke, maybe even an interesting fact or two for a fun conversation. I make sure that they know they are appreciated and that they can expect my utmost devotion and confidence as family and friend.
When I am big as a daughter, I am independent while remembering the importance of family. I thank them for the roof I live under, the car I drive, the food I come home to, the love they show me, and every sleepless night they've had caring for me when I was sick or feeling down. I watch over my younger sister and respect my older sister. I remember what it's like to be my parents' baby again.
When I am big, I carry myself with optimism and spread the energy to others. I internalize the fact that no matter what struggles I am faced with, I have the ability to succeed. I know that I've been placed in the toughest of times for a reason. There's no setbacks, only setups. Lessons are behind me, and opportunities are in front of me.
When I am big, I'm crafty like MacGyver and not afraid to get my hands dirty. I think outside and around the box for solutions that no one else would ever think of. I am locked in on whatever I'm doing, but I don't ever close myself off from others. I own up to my own mistakes and welcome constructive criticism with open arms.
When I am big, I wake up early in the morning knowing that it is my job to make the day my masterpiece, and my job to tell others how much they mean to me and how extraordinary they are. When I am big, I am telling others what I see in them, that other people overlook, and I am being honest and not caring whether or not my vulnerability is perceived in the most flattering way. When I am big, I am constantly bettering myself and bringing others up with me. I am learning and exercising my intellectual curiosity, knowing that it is my greatest asset.
When I'm big, I'm being productive, not just with my work, but in all aspects of my life. I feel creative, and I get to utilize my strengths in a strategic manner to consistently work towards my goals. I feel successful.
When I'm big, I allow myself to have breathers. I don't see my slower days as failures. Rather, they give me the time, energy, and dare I say fun to make sure my next race speeds off on the right foot. I'm simply charging my batteries for the next race.
When I am big as a person, I recognize that I am perfectly imperfect. I am self-aware and vulnerable. I am confident, energetic, and giggle a lot.
When I am big, I am calculated. I treat my life like a game of chess, where each move I make must have purpose, be strategic, and be calculated to perfection. I take each step with the ultimate belief that I'm doing what's right for me and that will lead me to where I want to be. When I'm big, I do things for myself. I realize how easy it is to want to achieve something because of what it'd make others think of me, but I avoid doing or not doing something for what they would think. I avoid their opinions and value my own and the advice of those who care for me most.
And most of all, when I am big, I elevate the people surrounding me to also be big. Together, our teamwork is impeccable and in harmony. We can talk for hours and hours and never run out of things to say. When we are big, there is nothing that can stop us. When we are big, we become even bigger.
When I am big, I am accepting that my only real obstacle is my doubts about myself, but I'm silencing them and fearlessly exploring my opportunities. I am optimistic, but I am not naive. I look at problems as something that I can solve through my own creativity and drive. I have faith in my God, myself, and all those that I love. I have faith that his plan is beautiful while mine is completely flawed. I am pursuing kindness and living without expectations or regret. I'm smiling until my cheeks hurt and I'm dancing like a weirdo. I'm laughing like a playful child.
When I'm big, I feel motivated. Whether it's something small like listening to music or playing basketball, to realizing an opportunity or accomplishing a major goal, I feel connected and I'm inspired.
When I'm big, I appreciate the day's efforts and achievements, even and especially the incomplete ones. I never judge my self-worth and value by how many check marks I'm able to cross off on my never-ending to-do list. I know that my intentions and efforts are enough to fuel an even better day tomorrow. I allow myself to be proud.
I respect my mind and body by being healthy and fit. I empathize with those who are in need and give back to my community. I set personal and professional goals and am determined to accomplish them.
When I'm big, I create momentum in my life. I work hard to string good days together. These good days propel me to continuously thrive and better myself. I capitalize off of these good days and expect my best self every day, knowing my potential is only a few good days away.
I'm embracing everything that makes me, me. When I'm big, I'm enjoying my height, heels and all, walking up to you and with my shoulders back confidently saying, "Hello, my name is Nicole."
That's who I am.
And that's who I am.
That is who I am
And that's who I am
And that's who I am when I'm big.
When I am big.
when I am big.
when I am big.
When I am big.
It's nice to meet you.